Y'all know when y'all have a vision of your hairstyle in your head, and if it don't come out exactly like that vision, you're not happy. That's how I feel right now. Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. Today I'm coming to show you these twists. Let's talk about this whole process, including a little issue that I need to address. So if you want to see that, go ahead and keep on watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell button so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. And make sure you're following my hair page because they always get the tea first, right? They always know what hairstyles I'm rocking before it comes to YouTube. But first, giving you a really good look at these twists from top to bottom. This is 1 week post install. Okay, so this is the hair that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. It is the Passion Twist hair by Tress Jenna collection. I got 2 packs in the color 1B, 2 packs in the color 1B30, and 2 packs in the color 1B27. Okay, I only ended up using 4 packs in my head, and I didn't use the entire 4th pack. I did concentrate the 27 color in the front and the 1B color in the back. 30 is mixed all around. I installed an entire set of twists in my hair in 4 hours. Your girl was on a time crunch and she hit her mark, okay? I was in a rush. I needed to get my hair done because I had to go out that night, so you just had to throw them in, okay? So right now I'm just looking for some twists that may need to be touched up while I tell y'all about my process and while I tell y'all why I'm not happy with my hair at all. Let's go ahead and touch up this bootleg twist. I have been talking on my hair Instagram for a long time about trying passion twists again. If you don't already know, I have tried passion twists on my channel before. I will link those videos up in the cards as well as in the description box below. The first time I filmed that video, I actually was sent the passion twist hair to use, but this time around I was perfectly fine with buying my own hair. I wanted to go to the store, pick up the hair, and just install it. I didn't want to have to wait for Amazon shipments to come in. So I went to the store. Of course, they sell free Tress hair, which is the hair that is typically used when you're doing passion twists. But I was like, let me try something different. Let me try some passion twists from one of these companies. I just want y'all to know that I'm not slandering them or anything. This is just constructive criticism. So I was like, let me try this passion twist hair. Janet Collection actually sells passion twist hair. They sell like the crochet hair. The hair comes pre-twisted. So I was just like, bet, I need to save time. I'm just gonna untwist these twists, twist them back, and I'll be able to meet my 4-hour marker, right? So that is the hair that I purchased. It has different color options. It had the ombre, and I definitely wanted to do something different than just my regular 1B, which I tried the last time. You know, switch it up, get some good hair content in, rock the passion twist until I'm ready to do another style, right? So I pick up the hair, I rush back home, I start opening the hair, and I'm going, y'all. Again, I am trying to meet my deadline, but I notice as I'm doing it, I'm like, this hair don't really feel right. This is not really giving me passion twist hair. This is more so giving me Marley hair. But again, I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm in a rush. I need something in my head, so let me just put this in my head. This is not no passion twist hair. And I'm saying that based off of my experience with free Tress hair and based off of my experience with other hair that is marketed as passion twist hair. I do not think that this hair is passion twist hair. This is Marley hair. Mind you, the only difference between passion twist and Marley twist is the texture of the hair that you're using. The creator of passion twist said the only difference between Marley twist and passion twist is that passion twist uses a silkier hair, Marley twist uses a kinkier hair, right? Obviously, Marley twist blend a lot better with coarser hair like mine, but passion twist give you a different look. And I was going for that look. I did not get that look with this hair, y'all. This is not what I wanted. This is not it. I don't like that. That's my opinion. I would not categorize this hair as passion twist hair. I haven't watched any other tutorials that use this Janet Collection hair. I just know that Janet Collection is a staple brand, right? They're always in the beauty supply store. I've used other things by them all the time. I use their Marley twist hair. So I didn't think to question the integrity of their passion twist hair. I'm saying to Janet Collection, I would love to work with you to formulate some passion twist hair. I want y'all to be able to compare your hair to other hair on the market. You can disagree with me in the comment section. So if you've used the Janet Collection and you loved it and you are satisfied with your passion twist, please let me know in the comments below. But trust me, y'all, I use Janet Collection Marley Twist hair all the time. That is the only type of Marley hair that I use, so I know exactly how that hair feels. This feels more like their Marley Twist hair than it does like free Tress hair. So the reason that I haven't been coming on here and showing you the tutorial or posting a whole bunch of pictures of these twists on my hair page is that I don't really like them. And it's not that I don't like the actual twist, this is just not the look I was going for. And I'm the type of girl, I will take a style out of my head just as soon as I put it in. That's the beauty of doing your own hair. Nonetheless, I just want to come and tell y'all that if you like my twists, please let me know in the comments below, because maybe if enough people like them, I won't take them out, but people have been complimenting me on them. I don't even know how to title this video. Do I title it Passion Twist? Do I title it Marley Twist? Just know my thumbnail is gonna say, these are not passion twists. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like this video so YouTube can share with other people. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.